This is Cooky Usagida. First of all, I want to give a little update in regards to the new microphone. So, the new microphone came in! Yeah! So yeah, thank you so much, Cooky Nation, for surprising me with this amazing microphone that I was able to get for my birthday. And I really, really do appreciate all of your support. It means a lot. So with that being said, I'm going to be unboxing it on this video right here, right now. You guys ready? Okay, here we go. All right, let's see what it is. Woo! Ta-da! I got a new microphone. This one is the Maono DGM20. This one is the pink one. Yeah! So with that being said, everyone, let's unbox the microphone. So, this microphone is the Maono DGM20 that also features noise cancelling, and it also features a headphone jack, a desktop stand, noise cancellation, an RGB switch, a pop filter, and so much more. Yeah. Alright, that being said, are you guys ready to check out the microphone? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Alright. Let's check out the mic, shall we? Okay. We're gonna be very, very careful with the box. Okay, ready? Ta-da! Look at this! It's so beautiful! Yeah, it matches my setup too. Okay. We're gonna take out this microphone. Very carefully. But yeah! Look at this microphone! It's so beautiful! And it now comes with a pop filter too! So you guys can hear me a lot clearer. Alright? This also comes with the accessories. Are you guys ready? And look! This also comes with the user's manual. Yeah! And it comes with a very cool user's manual too on how to use the microphone. So, very, very special thanks to my community for giving me a new microphone for my birthday. I am so, so happy to have received this microphone from my community. So yeah, thank you so much for giving me a new microphone, guys. I look forward to using the Maono microphone. All that being said, Cooky!